Okay, hello again and welcome to Trace People's Tips. This morning we have a gas cooker. My friend is moving. You don't need to know all of that. Basically, I'm going to show you how to disconnect it. Right? Because I'm doing this one-man thing as per usual. I'll get my hand in there some way, somehow. Now, grab hold of it, lift the front. And I pull, oh son of a gun, this thing. Okay, there you go. It's got a safety chain on it. That's why it won't come no further. So what we need to do is push that back a little bit, just get some slack on it. Get on our chain, just underneath there. We press up, undo that. Then we can grab our hold of our stove again. We can pull it out. Now your gas pipe is just there. As you can see, what you got to do with this gas pipe now is here, you just twist that, push up and twist. And there it is. I didn't even hold the camera properly. Push, here it is. Push up and twist. See, just there, looks like it locks in just like a light bulb. Alright, so let me try and do that again. Put it in, push up. You gotta line it up, yeah? Turning, 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 turning. Turn it too many times. See? Locate. Push upwards and twist. It's in. Push upwards and twist. It's out. That's it. This is for the lights on the oven or whatever. Pull that out. Grab all your handle again. No, grab all of the inside of it. Hold it anyhow you like. I do it this way. And that's it. That's how you disconnect your gas cooker from the wall. Okay, from Trace Peoples again. Stop robbing each other. Don't charge more than you have to. And live good with each other. Okay, people? Take care of each other. Take care of yourself. Laters.